Welcome to our video on how to register and connect a Mac computer to CU Secure Wi-Fi. We're going to show you the whole process from start to finish, including downloading the CU Secure certificate and registering and connecting your device to CU Secure. Once installed, the certificate will enable your device to automatically connect to CU Secure when in range of any building using the CU Secure network, making it easy to stay connected on campus. You'll be able to follow along with this video, but we also have a full tutorial with screenshots and links to additional information on our website, oit.colorado.edu/cu-secure-mac. Please note that you'll need to use the Safari browser for the entirety of this process. It's easiest to make it your default browser, at least for the time being. Visit our website for a direct link to Apple's instructions for how to do that. Let's get started. To start, go to wifi.colorado.edu and click the Install the CU Certificate button to download the certificate. There's also some helpful links on this page for instructions and other information. Confirm your operating system is correct, or use the Select Device drop-down at the bottom of the page if you need to change it. Then click the Register Your Device button to download the onboarding client. If prompted to allow the download, click Allow. Once the download is complete, open the file named something like cusecurecertificate.dmg. You may need to open your Downloads folder to find it. Next, click Open to confirm you want to open the file. Click Next to begin the onboarding client. If you're not already logged in, you'll be directed to a Microsoft login page. Enter your Identikey username at colorado.edu, then click Next. Enter your Identikey password, then click Sign In. At this point, you may be prompted to complete Microsoft Multi-Factor Authentication. Follow the prompts to approve the login and visit our website, oit.colorado.edu/Microsoft-MFA for assistance. The onboarding client will reload and display various status messages as it connects to the network. When prompted to allow SecureW2 to access confidential information stored in CU Secure in your keychain, enter the login keychain password for your computer, then click OK. Click Next to complete the profile download, and then this should open automatically, but in case it doesn't, go to System Settings, General, then Device Management, and double-click the University of Colorado Boulder CU Secure profile. Scroll down and click Install on the bottom left corner. Then you'll need to click Install one more time to confirm. To allow Device Management/MDM to make changes, enter your credentials using your computer password, or you can use your Touch ID. When the client is finished, it should display a joined message, and then you want to double check that you can connect to the internet. From now on, CU Secure will appear in your device's known Wi-Fi networks and should connect automatically when in range. Find more information and learn how to connect other devices on our website, oit.colorado.edu/cu-secure. If you have any questions, contact the IT Service Center at 303-735-4357 or oithelp@colorado.edu.